Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change the display name of your Snapchat friends. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner and tap on my friends, and now long press the contact or friend you want to change the display name and tap on manage friendship. Tap on edit name and enter here the display name and tap on save. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.